DIY Tropical Smoothie Bowl with Methi seeds, a refreshing and nutritious treat. In this article, we'll guide you through creating a delightful tropical smoothie bowl infused with the goodness of Methi, fenugreek, seeds. Perfect for warm climates, this bowl is not only refreshing but also packed with health benefits. Let's dive into the ingredients, preparation, and why Methi seeds deserve a place in your healthy recipes. Benefits of a tropical smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls have become a go-to option for those seeking quick, healthy, and visually appealing meals. Here's why. Rich in nutrients, they are made with fresh fruits, superfoods, and nuts, delivering a nutrient-dense meal. Hydrating and cooling, perfect for warm climates. Tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, and coconut keep you refreshed and energized. Customizable, with endless combinations of toppings, you can create a bowl suited to your taste. Ingredient spotlight, Methi seeds. Methi seeds might not be the first ingredient that comes to mind for a smoothie bowl, but their health benefits make them a star addition. Nutritional value of Methi seeds. Rich in antioxidants, Methi seeds fight inflammation and promote overall wellness. Blood sugar regulation, they help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for those managing diabetes. Digestive aid, these seeds improve digestion and may prevent bloating. Interesting facts about Methi seeds. Used in Ayurveda for centuries, Methi seeds are known for their cooling properties and digestive benefits. They have a slightly bitter, nutty flavor that pairs surprisingly well with sweet tropical fruits. Preparing Methi seeds for smoothie bowls. 1. Soak overnight. Soak 1 teaspoon of Methi seeds in water overnight to reduce bitterness and soften their texture. 2. Grind to paste. Blend the soaked seeds into a smooth paste for easy incorporation into the smoothie. 3. Optional sweetener, add a touch of honey if you want to mellow out the bitterness further. Recipe demonstration. Ingredients. 1 ripe banana, frozen for creaminess. 1 cup fresh or frozen mango chunks. 1/2 cup pineapple chunks. 1 cup coconut milk or almond milk. 1 teaspoon Methi seed paste. Ice cubes, optional. Toppings. Fresh fruits, example kiwi slices, berries, or dragon fruit. Granola or crushed nuts. Chia seeds or flax seeds. Coconut flakes. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Blend the base, combine banana, mango, pineapple, coconut milk, and Methi seed paste in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. 2. Adjust consistency, add ice cubes or a splash of coconut milk to achieve your desired consistency. 3. Assemble the bowl, pour the smoothie into a bowl and artfully arrange the toppings for an Instagram-worthy finish. Tasting and enjoying. Admire the vibrant colors of your smoothie bowl, from the golden hues of mango to the greens and reds of the toppings. The textures from the creamy base to the crunchy granola make every bite a sensory delight. Why you'll love it? Flavor explosion, the tropical fruits balance the subtle bitterness of Methi seeds, creating a unique yet harmonious flavor profile. Versatile meal, this bowl works as a wholesome breakfast, an afternoon pick-me-up, or a guilt-free dessert. Call to action. Now it's your turn to create this refreshing and nutritious tropical smoothie bowl. Share your creations and variations in the comments. Your ideas could inspire others. Looking for more smoothie bowl recipes? Check out the other healthy and delicious options available on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the goodness. Final tip. For an extra boost, try experimenting with other superfoods like spirulina or maca powder in your smoothie bowls. Combine them with the Methi seeds for a powerhouse of nutrients. End your tropical smoothie bowl journey on a high note, relishing every bite of this vibrant and nourishing treat. Palm tree pineapple.